vuelta de la feria Piaxtla 2009.
Güey, un pinche video donde se te caía la nieve, güey, en el que me toco. Vales, los botes y algún.
Ya tiene el Gasper, alberca.
¡No mames!
Mira que hasta acá, cabrón. Gasper, ya tienes alberca, cabrón, en tu puesto. Ya bañate, güey. Estás feo, quítate, güey.
Vaya a quebrar la cámara.
Coming on. Look at this. Countryside storm, baby. Raining like crazy. Woo! Getting wet. I think it's time to go inside because I'm getting too wet. Woo! Oh, it's coming hard, baby. Oh, I see a problem. Houston, we got a problem. Alright, we gotta run. The mattress. Box is gonna go wet. God damn! Freaking thunderstorm, baby. It's a thunderstorm. Look at this. Woo! Alright, let's go up here. Oh, Jesus! Everything's getting wet. See? This is the fucking problem, these stupid fucking kids. Fucking idiots. Alright. Let's pull this fucking mattress. Alright, let's see. This thing, because it's gonna go crazy. Alright, there's one room that they fucking left the light on. Fucking idiots. Look at this. This is the house. Different view. Alright. See if any windows are open here. No, but fucking big ass butterfly that I freaking hate. Trying to walk a little slow. Wearing sandals, don't want to bust my ass. And like I figured. Water's coming in through here and I don't know how. Gotta fix that. A lot of water's coming in. Alright. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna cut it off a little bit because I gotta pee. Alright, ladies and gentlemen. We're back again. Had to do a little pit stop at the bathroom. Alright. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful rain. View. Got the pool right there. Getting done. Renovated. Alright. There's the chandeliers I put up. Trying to walk slow. Hopefully I don't bust my ass. The plants are getting water. maybe gain a little bit too much water. But I'm gonna risk it right now and run. Not run, but power walk. I gotta try and fix this thing right here. I have a feeling it's gonna get too much rain inside. Getting my ass wet. All this fucking shit. Alright. My phone's getting wet. I'm getting freaking wet. See me? See me, Ray? Alright. Great. God damn. Woo! Jesus is getting wet. Alright. Time to go. See you later. Peace. Okay. Now we got the storm here. Getting fucking wet. There go, crazy. The Hummer's getting clean, guys. Hold on. Phil Tony, say hi. There you go. Está lloviendo. Y mucho. Look at this. At least my Hummer's getting washed a little bit, I guess. I don't know. I'm getting drenched. Saluden, pues. Oh, Mike, you haven't been on YouTube for a while. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right. I forgot about him.